Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the cutting-edge world of technology and artificial intelligence. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Meet RT-2, Google's latest AI overlord that is revolutionizing the field of robotics. Get ready to dive into the futuristic realm of RT-2 as we explore its incredible capabilities and the impact it's having on the world of automation. So, without further ado, let's get started. The unveiling of RT-2. RT-2 is the next-gen AI overlord developed by Google, and it's taking robotics to new heights. This groundbreaking creation bridges the gap between human instruction, digital understanding, and precise robotic action. Imagine telling a robot to clean your room, and it springs into action, effortlessly understanding every nook and cranny it encounters. That's the power of RT-2. How RT-2 works. At the core of RT-2's capabilities lies the revolutionary Vision Language Action Model, or VIR-L. This AI model can comprehend both text and images from the web and translate them into robotic actions. In simpler terms, you can give RT-2 a natural language command, and it will process it into real-world actions, even if it's a task it has never encountered before. The advantage of learning from the web. Unlike traditional robots that require specific data for each task, RT-2's ability to learn from vast internet content sets it apart. This enables the AI overlord to handle a wide range of tasks without being explicitly trained for each one. It learns from online sources, just like humans learn from books, videos, or experiences, making it adaptable and versatile. RT-2's Vision Language Model. RT-2's Vision Language Model, or VLM, is responsible for understanding text and images from the web. It processes this information and converts it into special formats called embeddings, which capture the essence of the content. The VLM's ability to comprehend objects, their attributes, and their relationships is what empowers RT-2 to execute precise actions. The power of Vision Language Action Model. RT-2's Vision Language Action Model, or VLAM, is an advanced version of the VLM. Not only does it learn from online data, but it can also direct robotic actions based on that knowledge. This integration of text understanding and real-world execution is what makes RT-2 a game-changer in the realm of AI and robotics. RT-2 in action. Let's witness RT-2 in action. We'll see how this innovative AI overlord can perform complex tasks effortlessly, thanks to its VIR-L model. Whether it's sorting trash, identifying objects, or handling multi-step processes, RT-2 shines in its ability to understand natural language commands and execute them with precision. RT-2's adaptability and versatility. One of the most remarkable aspects of RT-2 is its adaptability. Thanks to its learning from web data, RT-2 can handle new and unfamiliar situations. It can avoid obstacles, adjust to different environments, and even improvise on the spot. This adaptability makes it a valuable asset in various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. RT-2's impact on everyday life. Imagine having an AI overlord like RT-2 at your service. From household chores to industrial tasks, RT-2's capabilities have the potential to transform our daily lives. It learns and improves over time, making it more efficient and reliable with each task it undertakes. The possibilities are endless. The future of robotics with RT-2. As we look ahead, the potential of RT-2 is awe-inspiring. With its advanced Vision Language Action Model, robots can become even more intuitive and collaborative partners for humans. We can expect to see RT-2 and its successors playing a pivotal role in various industries, driving innovation and enhancing productivity. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the remarkable world of RT-2, Google's latest AI overlord that is revolutionizing the field of robotics. We are truly living in exciting times where technology is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more incredible updates on AI, robotics, and technology. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing the future of innovation.